If you're looking for a free budgeting app, you might have come across Money Manager X. It's a simple, no-frills budget tracker that helps you manage your money without monthly fees or premium upgrades. Great if you want to track income, set monthly limits, and see where your money's going, all without handing over your data to big banks or ads. But here's the deal. While it's free and easy to use, it doesn't auto-sync with your bank accounts like Mint or YNAB. You'll need to enter most of your spending manually, which can get old fast. Also, the design feels pretty outdated compared to slicker apps like Good Budget or Pocket Guard. So, is it the best free budgeting app? If you want something basic, private, and lightweight, yes, give it a shot. But if you want automatic syncing, forecasting, or more modern features, you'll probably want to go elsewhere. Let me know if you use Money Manager X. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.